Today, we're featuring a 2020 Kenworth T800 extended day cab tri-drive dump truck. This unit comes fully loaded with power windows, power door locks, and leather seats, plus AM/FM CD radio with GPS navigation. Check out the full gauge package on this beauty. This Kenworth features a Cummins X15 engine with 565 horsepower, 260-inch wheelbase, 18-speed transmission with a 4.56 gear ratio with 16,000 front axle rating and 69K rear. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. Also features beacon lights and a 21-foot 6-inch Langfab tub drop box. Rear hitch, plumbed wet for a trailer, includes Tarp. This Kenworth has only 103K original miles on it and is work ready. For more heavy equipment trucks like this Kenworth, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.